Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll do a comparison between DOMS, Pencilcolors and Arteza Expert. I have already done individual reviews on these Pencilcolors, so if you're interested on what I think about them, click on the description because that's where I left the appropriate links. I created this video to show you the two brands side by side, coloring the beautiful Violet Evergarden. I'm using DOMS Pencilcolors in the left side and I will use Arteza Expert in the right side of the drawing. What should I say about the DOMS Pencilcolors comparing them to the Arteza Expert is that they are very accurate, especially when we are going to color details. But at the same time, I'm loving the Arteza Expert more because their way to blend is very crazy and they are very close to Prismacolor Premier. So the Arteza Expert Pencilcolors are a very good Prismacolor alternative. Well, yeah, the DOMS Pencilcolors, even if they are made of wax, I can pretty say that they are more similar as a polychrome pencil color. Another thing I'm not liking about the DOMS Pencilcolors is that the set is very small. We have just only 24 Pencilcolors inside the box, while with the Arteza Expert we have 72 colored pencils. For example, in the DOMS color pencil box we are missing a very dark brown and many other colors that can be very useful for a beginner. So what to do if you want to get a dark brown? You have to play with the colors. You can mix the blue with the sienna or the purple with the sienna or the red with the blue and you will get the brown, the dark brown. But in short words, the meaning of what I say is that you have to play with the colors a lot while you are coloring with the DOMS Pencilcolors. So what to do? You have to use a small and light pressure on the paper and keep layering and layering and layering and layering. The same thing happened with the Arteza Pencilcolors. You have to layer anyways, but the color choice is so huge that you can even skip some steps. Talking about the white pencil color, obviously the Arteza white colored pencil is writing very good. This is one of the best pencil colors ever, and I'm talking about the white color. While the DOMS Pencilcolors, yes, you can use it to blend the colors together, but yeah, the coverage is not so high. This is the reason why I do prefer the Arteza Expert set. Because of the coverage, because drawing and coloring with them it's same as painting, while with the DOMS Pencilcolors you have to layer many colors and to mix many of them together to get a certain tone, a certain effect and so on. And you have to press a lot. While the Arteza Pencilcolor set is very smooth and very soft. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know what do you think about this comparison, and don't forget that you can find many of my comparison videos in my playlist and in my description. So if you're interested on a particular brand, I even made some single reviews and unboxing and so on. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Ciao and see you soon with my next drawing.